Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 71 of Building the Batmobile Tumbler. In this issue, we're continuing the little side window from last time after looking at a missile perhaps in a car. Yeah, pretty much that's what the 89 Batmobile was, isn't it? Very much so. A big turbine engine with a car wrapped around the outside of it. So yeah, that's quite cool looking. Looking at the magazine comic, rather, we've got Zero Hour. I've heard of it, but don't know much about that. There we go. Look at that. If you want to pause and read all the words, feel free. That's that. Classic Batman sort of. You've always got to have one leg higher than the other. Can't stand on level ground. Never stand on level ground. So yes, this is, what does it call it? The left canopy side. What are these little bits that we're putting on there? Canopy locks. There we go. Okay. So yeah, we're putting the locks on the side and then fitting the side to the window. That is going to start looking quite like a nice big panel. Then next time we're starting the other side again, basically the same as we've done already, but we're starting all over again on the opposite side. So looking forward to that. Let's clear this out of the way and let's get the build done. Okay, so here we are, quite simple. What we've got today is a new piece. Side there, we've got the window from before that we've been dealing with the last few issues. So this time we're going to be fitting these onto there. They can only go one way round because there's obviously a hole and a pin. Yeah, one pin's bigger than the other by the looks of it. So they will just locate in there. How bigger, or is it just where the shaping is on that side? Because that's going in there, but not actually going in there. Use it, rotating that around a bit more then. There we go, that will go on there. And just pushes securely in place on that. It goes sort of flush to the outside. So yeah, I quite like the look of that. Let's get that one in same way round. Now we know which way round it is. That will again push in place. Just like that. Quite like that. I like the gold and the black. They go well together. They were what was in that packet. In this packet we've got some screws which we are going to be using to hold this onto the window from last time. Let's get these out. Going to need 3 of them. So we'll keep one safe. Add that to our pile of spare stuff. So this is going on there that way round, lining up in there, just like that. And we've got our 3 attachment points with that on there. So we've got 1, 2, and 3 down there. Line up on there like so. It feels located into a place. Whether it's the right place, we'll find out in a minute when I get these screws in. I shall try and get one of these in the middle. Oh, if I can get it in the middle. Screw is in the right place on there. It's not quite lined up on the hole. So where it locked in place, it wasn't actually locked in place. That's interesting. That should be in there. And again, no, I've missed it again. Try that again. No, I'm not having any joy with that middle one. So I shall give up on that middle one. I'm not even certain where that screw's gone off to. Let's do this one down this side that I can see more easily. I'm not really liking it. That should be. That's that in place. The screw's still in the hole there. That's why I couldn't find that. So now that should line up a little bit better. Now I've got one located in place. The second one should be easier. Now I've taken the screw out. As ever, don't tighten up the first screw. Make sure they're all going in where they should be. And then go back and tighten them up. I'm going to miss that middle one out again. I'm going to get this one in over this side. Then that middle one has to be lined up if the out two ones are, doesn't it? That's then going into a hole there. So now they're all lined up, we can go and tighten them all up and make sure they're all nice and secure. That's that one. That one along there. A back occasional turn to break off any ink that might be in the thread to make sure we can get it tightened all the way down. And finally we can go back once again to this other one. Get that tightened up like that. So there we go. We've got a continuation of that. I'm not entirely certain how that fits onto the body or if there's another panel down there, but I do like it. It's got definite sort of stealth bomber vibes against it. So I'm liking that. So another 2 or 3 issues to get this done on the other side. I think we've got to put the window in first. Then we've got this big panel. Then we've got this panel. So that's 3 more. Then there's a couple more issues in this delivery as well. So we're going to get something done. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.